I'm Rich Steves, web editor at TMC, and here's the thing. It's April, and for much of the United States, the days are getting warmer and sunnier. So for many of us, that means one thing: gardening season. While a trowel and a nice pair of gloves are must-have accessories for most gardeners, there are plenty of high-tech gizmos out there to make your gardening experience much easier. Here then are the top 5 gardening gadgets that you must have. First up, the Luster Leaf Electronic Soil Tester from Rapid-Test. Want to find the best spot for your plants? Got a tricky one that might have some special requirements? Well, no more hard-to-use test kits for you. Just stick this device in the soil, wait a minute, and voila, readings on pH, soil fertility, light, and water. Best of all, no batteries are needed. This gizmo retails for about $30 and is available on Amazon.com and elsewhere. Now, are you very proud of your garden? Do you want to show it to the world and capture its beauty forever? Well, try the Timelapse Cam 8.0 from Wingscapes. It's waterproof, digital, and has an 8-megapixel HD camera. Just place it in your garden for close-up or panoramic shots. You can set the time of day and frequency of images and just let it go. Then share your images and video online or on your TV so everyone can see the beauty of your garden. Goes for about $80 at acehardware.com. Now these days, we're all trying to conserve, whether it's gas or electricity or even water. And we know that watering plants can sometimes seem wasteful. So now you can use the absolutely new Water Saver Usage Meter. It hooks right onto a standard hose, nozzle, or faucet and gives you a digital reading in gallons or liters of your water usage. It can help you when you're watering your lawn or washing your car. It does take one battery, not included, and goes for $25 at HomeDepot.com. Now, listen, all gardeners know weeds can be a pain. They grow like weeds. Hand weeding can be very tiring, and chemicals are harsh and sometimes dangerous to pets and kids. But now you can have the Rittenhouse Infrared Weeder. It's propane powered, but there's no open flame. It uses an infrared heat source to kill unwanted weeds in gardens, sidewalks, and other places. And it works even faster than chemicals. It comes in 2 styles, going for about $270 to $280 at Rittenhouse.ca. Listen, as we've said, gardening can seem low-tech sometimes, and accessories aren't always stylish. But now you can combine style and technology with these NASA-created high-tech plant-examining glasses. What they do is block the green light of healthy plants, allowing you to see damaged or diseased plants much easier, and look good while you're doing it. They go for $70 from cleanairgardening.com. Well, I hope you enjoy gardening season, and if you grow any squash or string beans, give me a call. I'm Rich Steves. Until the next thing.